In this video, I'll show you the best VPN to use TikTok in India. Whether you want to access TikTok smoothly, bypass regional restrictions, or enjoy uninterrupted browsing and streaming, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Before we begin, let me say this. NordVPN is by far the best VPN for accessing TikTok in India. It works perfectly for bypassing restrictions, maintaining privacy, and ensuring a fast, stable connection. You can use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price while following along with this tutorial. Once you've done that, open the App Store on your iPhone or the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for NordVPN. Tap Download and wait for the installation to finish. After it's installed, open the app and log in or create your NordVPN account. The app interface is super simple and smooth. You'll see a clean map showing available locations and a quick connect button at the bottom. Tapping it will automatically connect you to the fastest and most stable server based on your location. Perfect if you just want instant protection with one tap. If you'd like more control, open the Servers tab at the bottom. NordVPN has over 8,490 ultra-fast servers covering 129 countries, so you'll easily find a connection that works best for you. NordVPN also includes some specialty servers for specific needs. The dedicated IP servers give you the same IP address every time you connect. Useful if you want a consistent connection for banking or business logins. The double VPN servers route your connection through two servers for extra encryption and privacy. If you're in a region with heavy censorship, use the obfuscated servers, which are designed to bypass VPN restrictions completely. You also have Onion over VPN servers that combine NordVPN's encryption with the Tor network for maximum anonymity, and peer-to-peer servers optimized for file sharing and torrenting. You can either pick servers directly from the map or browse them in a list format. Now, to adjust your preferences, go into the Settings tab. Here, you'll find VPN protocols like NordLynx, IKEv2, and OpenVPN UDP or TCP. For most users, NordLynx is the best choice. It's fast, lightweight, and super reliable for streaming, browsing, and everyday use. NordVPN also includes a kill switch feature, which instantly cuts your internet if your VPN connection drops, keeping your data protected at all times. Plus, threat protection helps block ads, trackers, and harmful websites before they even load, giving you a smoother and safer browsing experience. There's also an auto-connect feature that automatically connects your VPN whenever you join a new Wi-Fi network. You can set trusted networks or keep it on all the time for continuous protection. And that's it. Your device is now ready to access TikTok in India securely and at high speed. NordVPN is the best choice if you want privacy, unrestricted access, and a stable connection anywhere. Use the link in the description below to try NordVPN at a great price and start using TikTok in India.